Today, what we're going to learn is how to submit an award for a level completion in Pathways. So let's say one of your members has submitted that they have completed an award and now they have that little pending request on their curriculum. What you need to do is two things. The first is approving the award in Pathways. The second is submitting that award to Club Central to Toastmasters International to get your DCP points. So let's dive in. When you arrive on Toastmasters International page and you've logged in, you're going to want to click on the top here where it says welcome and then your name. That's going to take you over to this page where it's called your profile, and so it has all kinds of little goodies that you can go through. But the most important thing for us today is go to Basecamp, this blue box in the top left hand corner. You're going to need to log in as a Basecamp manager, and then you're going to need to select the appropriate club for which the member is a member of. Then you're going to click Go. And that's going to take you into Basecamp. Now that you're in Basecamp, you're going to see three blue boxes down here at the bottom. One's pending requests, member progress, and manager tutorials. When you click on pending requests, it's going to take you to this page here, which is called View Pending Requests. If you scroll down, so I'm just going to move myself over here a little bit. There we go. You're going to see a line that says requested by, so that'll be the person that requested the level completion to be approved. You're going to see under training, you're going to see the actual level that they're trying to have approved, the type, which is usually going to say completed, date that they actually completed it, and the two options are approve and deny. So the approve will be a green check mark, and the deny will be a red X. And so to approve, you simply just click on the green check mark. Unfortunately, I don't have one here today as I tried this recording before and the recording was bad, and unfortunately, so I already used up the one that I had available. You will also see another screen after this one, which is a comment screen, which allows you to enter a comment saying something like, congratulations on completing the level. I suggest writing in your name and the date. And then you will know who approved and when they approved it. Because otherwise, there isn't really a log for who approves and who has when they've done that. So that's on the next screen after you've clicked the little green check mark. So now what we're going to do is go back to Toastmasters International. Now, if you're not familiar, you can go up to the little gearbox, click log out, and that'll take you back. Now that you're back here, up here at the top is Leadership Central. So for us to submit the award in Club Central, click on Leadership Central tab, and then Club Central. Now, of course, you'll only have access to Club Central if you're actually a member who is also an executive member. Similarly to Basecamp Manager and Basecamp, you will only be a Basecamp Manager if you've been assigned as one. And those three people are the Secretary, the President, and the VP of Education. To submit an award, you're going to scroll down to Submit Education Awards in Club Central. You're going to click on that, And you're going to arrive on the Submit Education Awards screen. You're going to select a member. So the same member who you approved the award for, you're now going to find their name. So you're going to scroll down, or you can also search for their name in the search box. So for example, if I type in Alexei, I can go and find him. Click on him, and you'll notice what happened was a new selection box came up, and that was for Select Education Program. So you're going to click on the drop-down box, and then you're going to click on the pathway and level that they're currently on. So in this case, it's Online Effective Coaching, Level 1 in English, but all the other awards and levels for the Legacy program are also in here. So just be sure that you're clicking on the correct one. Once you click on that, a new button will appear down in the right-hand corner called Review Award Submission. This takes you to a Review Award Submission page, and the page basically just outlines what you are what you are submitting an award for. If in fact you're submitting for a person at a higher level, you might see more options. So in this case, we just see the member ID, the name, and the selected path. But, for example, if I go back here, I select a different member who's currently finished up to level 2 and now going on to level 3, you'll see a new option down here before you click Review an Award Submission called Letter of Recognition. So do you wish to send a letter of recognition to the member's employer? You can click on yes if they want a letter of recognition, or you can click on no. And then the process is the same. You click on the Review Award Submission. It takes you to a review page, and then you would click on, so let's just say it's no, Review Award Submission page, and then you would click on Submit Award, and that submits the award. So that's it. That submits to Toastmasters International as contribution to those DCP points. And that concludes submitting an award for Pathways level completion. Thanks very much, and have a great day.